Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys when you buy your Contixo uh, what it comes with. So I don't want to call it unboxing, but it's sort of that if you want. So um, you're going to receive a nice little package like that, carry on, like a school bag if you want, for very easy to carry around. And then when you open it, you're gonna get your, well, I ordered an extra pair of batteries, so don't mind that. So you get the actual unit. Comes in like this. Putting it aside. Now normally what you have here is the battery will be in this pouch here, and then this is your mobile phone holder, which we'll talk about later. I may not do a video for assembly, but if I have time I will show you. You can come down if you want, love. This is the remote controller. Batteries are not included, so you'll have to purchase and put batteries. Propellers, you'll get 2 sets of propellers, so I got 4 here, 4 more, so 2 sets. They also give you a mini screwdriver if you ever need to do any work with your drone. You also get these. This literally goes on your, when you put your propellers to guard them. So maybe when I assemble it I'll show you. And then you also get some extra pieces here. That's pretty much it. Really. Now what I'll do is I'm gonna assemble this, and I'm gonna take a very good high quality video of this in flight, just to show you guys how it's gonna look like when it takes off. Alright, so next one is gonna be assembly.